Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make pickled beets. First, select fresh, firm beets, ideally 2 to 2.5 inches in diameter. Trim the greens, leaving about 1 inch of stem, and wash them thoroughly to remove any dirt. This initial preparation is crucial for a clean and delicious final product. Taking your time here ensures the best texture and flavor for your pickled beets. Next, cook your prepared beets until they are tender. You can boil or steam them for about 25 to 45 minutes, depending on their size. Once cooked, cool them quickly under cold water, then easily peel away the skins. Finally, slice your beets into uniform 1/4 inch rounds or small wedges, preparing them for the pickling process. Now let's create the flavorful brine. In a saucepan, combine your vinegar, water, sugar, and pickling spices. Bring this mixture to a boil, stirring until all the sugar has completely dissolved. Then, reduce the heat and let it simmer gently for about 5 minutes. This simmering allows the spices to infuse the liquid, creating a rich and aromatic pickling solution. For the final step, carefully pack your sliced beets into clean, hot canning jars. Pour the hot brine over the beets, ensuring you leave 1/2 inch of headspace at the top of each jar. Secure the lids and process the jars in a boiling water canner for 30 minutes. This ensures proper sealing and allows your delicious pickled beets to be safely stored for enjoyment later.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.